In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to change Google Gemini voice on iPhone. Whether you prefer a different accent tone or style, this video will help you personalize your assistant to suit your preferences. Let's start by opening the Gemini app on your iPhone. Now, make sure that you're logged into your Google account. Next, tap your profile icon on the upper right corner. In the pop-up menu, select Settings. In the Gemini settings, select Gemini's voice option. It will open a new
I'm ready to be
interface
your
where
voice.
we can
If
swipe
you like
and
what you
select
hear,
different
choose me to
voice
start
for
talking.
Google Gemini. You can hear a
Feel
preview
free
on
to
how
keep
that
exploring
specific
until you
person
find that
sounds
perfect
like,
voice.
and they
You
have
can
a high
always change
quality
voices later.
voices.
I'll be
You
here
can
whenever
just
you're ready
swipe
to
from the
talk.
right to the left and hear all the voices that are available. Now, once you're done selecting the voice, then tap the select button at the top right corner. Now, the voice should now be changed to the one you have selected. That's basically how you do it.
In the Ilocos region, there will be thunderstorms with a high of 33 and a low of 24. Right now it's 31 with light showers.